What is up, family? We are back in the lab, and today is Wednesday, February 18th, 2026. If you aren't watching the gold chart right now, you are missing a masterclass in smart money concepts. We just fired a high-conviction buy entry at 4,913.27 with the Phantom Vector V 2.0. Look at that positioning. Clinical. We caught the exact moment the market swept retail liquidity and started the expansion. We are currently sitting at a floating profit of plus $41.64 USD. The dashboard is screaming bullish, and we are riding the institutional wave. This isn't just trading, it's a surgical strike. Let's see how this develops. Moving into the heart of the session, price is pushing higher as predicted, currently at 4,919. Our floating profit has climbed to plus $47.53. Now look at the candle structure. Solid cyan momentum. While retail traders are trying to short this high, Phantom Vector recognizes the institutional flow. The dashboard status is active, and our equity is steadily climbing toward that $1,388 mark. We don't exit early because the bot knows there is still unfilled buy-side liquidity sitting above us. Trust the logic, stay disciplined. We are now at the doorstep of our target. Gold is hovering at 4,932.51. Our profit is surging, plus $57.72 and counting. Notice the take profit TP line on the screen? We are inches away from a perfect hit. Our margin level is a massive 4,744%, meaning our risk is locked down while our gains are running free. This is why we use the vector. It takes the emotion out of the squeeze and lets the math do the heavy lifting. And boom, execution complete. Notice the dashboard? The active trade lines are gone. The Phantom Vector recognized the momentum exhaustion and triggered a perfect exit. Our balance is now equalized at $1,401.04. No drawdown, no stress, just pure algorithmic efficiency. When the market hits the structural high, we step out and let the retail traders fight over the crumbs. Capital protected, profit secured. Let's open the books because transparency is everything at Forex. Look at this history. That last gold buy was a clean $60 banger. But look at the sequence. A $20.81 win, followed by an $11.91 scalp. We are stacking wins like bricks. Total daily profit, $162.48. That is high-level account growth in a single window. We aren't guessing. We are following a coded blueprint that identifies order blocks and capitalizes on them before the crowd even wakes up. Stop trading against the banks and start moving with them. The Phantom Vector V 2.0 is the bridge between retail struggle and institutional success. If you're ready to stop being the liquidity and start being the hunter, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, join our community, and grab your license from the link in the description. Let's dominate the rest of 2026 together. Peace.